How to fix Instagram app not updating to latest version. Open Instagram, and in here you can find various features that you can use. One of the latest features of Instagram is Instagram Notes. So when you tap on it, you can add a little note or add a music to the taste and even add a video. But for some reason, some of you might not have access to it, so I am going to give you 3 solutions to solve this problem. So first of all, what you need to do is go on App Store and make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Now here, instead of an open button, if you're getting an update button, you have to click on it in order to update your device. And once the update is complete, you can go back and open Instagram and look for those features. If it is still not working, then the next solution that you can do is click on your profile and then click on 3 horizontal lines on your right side. Here you have to scroll to the very bottom and click on log out. Once you've logged out, you can go back and uninstall your Instagram app. After you've uninstalled Instagram, you can go to Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Here you have to re-download your Instagram, and once the download is complete, you have to log into your account. Apart from this problem, this solution helps to solve many more problems related to this app. And if your Instagram is still not working, then there is just one more thing that you can do. You have to open Instagram first and then go to your profile. Here you have to click on the 3 horizontal lines on your right. Now here you have to go to the bottom of the page and click on help section. Here you have to click on report a problem and then click on report problem without shaking. Here you have to click on include and continue. Here you can type in your problem, just make it very simple, like my Instagram is not updating, and then go ahead and click send. And basically these are the solutions to your Instagram not updating problem. Now if you find this video helpful, you can leave a like below. Thank you for watching this video.